Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. New Cupra Formentor and Leon now in production at SEAT Martorell Plant. Previously the motorsport and high-performance vehicle subsidiary of SEAT, the Cupra division is going from strength to strength. To keep the sales momentum going, Cupra has recently facelifted the Formentor and Leon, which are now in production at the Martorell plant in Spain. Inaugurated in 1993, the facility will be converted for small battery electric vehicle production in 2025. The Volkswagen Group has set aside €3 billion for the conversion. In absolute terms, the most commercially successful vehicles produced in Martorell are the Ibiza, Leon, and Cordoba. However, as of June 2024, the Formentor is built more often than its siblings. According to Cupra Chief Executive Officer Wayne Griffiths, both the Formentor crossover and Leon hatchback are instrumental for the future of Martorell. Be that as it may, the Spanish automaker is eagerly looking forward to the Cupra Raval, which is due in the latter half of 2025. It will be joined by the Volkswagen ID.2, all which, as opposed to the ID.3 hatchback, is a front-drive affair. The concept's electric motor is rated at 226 PS, 223 horsepower, whereas driving range is estimated at up to 450 kilometers, 280 miles. Cupra expects to start deliveries of the refreshed Formentor and Leon in the third quarter of 2024. For some reason or another, they're marketed as 2024 rather than 2025 models. The front-biased crossover and hatch feature Cupra's latest design language, a new generation of infotainment, more power, and more sustainable interior materials. First of all, the Cupra Formentor and Leon Sportstourer, aka station wagon, can be had with a 333 PS turbogasser, a rear axle torque splitter that uses two clutches for independent torque control on each rear wheel, and Akebano brakes. It's not clear why the 333 PS engine isn't available in the Leon hatchback, but looking at the bigger picture, a hyperwagon is much cooler. Lower down the spectrum, prospective customers are presented with e-hybrid, ETSI, and TSI powertrains. In Cupra vernacular, e-hybrid means plug-in hybrid with 272 PS on deck and more than 60 miles of electric range. As for ETSI, that would be the short way of saying mild hybrid. Unleashed in late April 2024, the facelift Formentor and Leon are gifted with shark-nosed fascias complemented by triangular headlights of the Matrix LED variety. The triangular exterior lighting theme continues with the illuminated Cupra logo in the rear. Optioned in matte finish paint colors such as Enceladus Gray and Century Bronze, these compacts definitely look the part. Stepping inside reveals a 12.9-inch infotainment system with an illuminated slider, 12-speaker audio developed in collaboration with the folks at Sennheiser Mobility, and bucket seats beautified with either environmentally conscious leather or recycled microfiber. Based on the Volkswagen Group's MQB platform, the Formentor and Leon are closely related to the VW Tiguan and Golf. Over in Germany, which is Volkswagen's home market and Europe's largest market for new cars, the Formentor carries a starting price of €42,145 or dollars at current exchange rates. The Leon and Roomier Leon Sportstourer are €38,340, $41,035, and €40,515, $43,365, respectively. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more exciting car reviews, and don't forget to share your thoughts on the new 2024 Cupra Formentor and Leon in the comments below.